Enterprise Manager Rule Enhancements in exacqVision 26.1. Enterprise Manager 26.1 introduces enhanced rule capabilities, expanding visibility and control with support for admin events. These new rule options allow administrators to stay informed of critical system and user changes across their organization. To get started, navigate to Organization, Rules, and click Add Rule. It's important to note that only users with administrator permissions can create Enterprise Manager rules. Administrators can create rules for themselves or assign them to other users, including non-admin users. Within the rule configuration, change the If drop-down from Camera/Server Events to Admin Events. This new option, introduced in 26.1, enables alerting on key administrative actions. Admins can now create alerts for events such as user created, license transferred, server modified, server update pushed, and many more. These events help ensure transparency and auditability across system management activities. You can choose to receive notifications as emails or in application alerts. Once you are happy with your configuration, select the Add button. Both the creation and any edits to this rule are automatically audited, providing an additional layer of accountability. Depending on the configuration, when the rule is triggered, the selected user can view alerts under Reports, Alerts. If email notifications are enabled, an alert will also be delivered directly to the user's inbox. With admin event rules in Enterprise Manager, exacqVision 26.1 delivers improved oversight, smarter alerting, and stronger administrative auditing, helping teams stay informed and in control.